Subscribe to this sideshow and append any comments and questions, which I shall endeavour to deal with to the best of my theatrical propensities. To do the derivation of the compound angle formula. So let me draw a triangle as per usual. And let's say the angles we're going to be adding are denoted by A and by B. Now those angles are fixed, so it matters not how long I make this line or what orientation I give this line. So I'm going to make life easier without compromising the situation by just saying that that is 1 unit long and that these two angles here are 90 degrees. So I'll call the sides of the angles PQR this time. And the length of the side of this side here will simply be, using basic trigonometry, will be 1 divided by the cosine of B. And similarly here, this will be 1 divided by the cosine of A. Well, this bit here will simply be tan of A, and this one will be tan or tangent of B. Right. Okay. Now I'm going to apply the sine rule, which has already been derived, to the full triangle here. That's sine A plus B divided by the length of the side opposite, which is tan A plus tan B, is equal to, we're using a big triangle here, so you can use this angle, and that side is equal to sine of Q divided by the side opposite it, which is 1 divided by cos of B. But sine of Q is the same as the cosine of A. Because if two angles add up to 90 degrees, the sine of one is equal to the cosine of the other. So instead of sine Q, I will write cos A. And multiplying top and bottom of this expression here by cos B, I just get that equal to cosine of B. Righty-ho. Sine of A plus B now is equal to tan of A plus tan of B multiplied by this, cos of A, cos of B, which equals, that can be written as sine A over cos A, and that can be written as sine B over cos B, and that is all multiplied by cos A, cos B, and now multiply this bit by that, the cos A's cancel out, that leaves us with sine of A, cosine of B, plus cosine, sorry, this one here, the cos B's cancel out, that leaves us with sine B, cos A. And that is it. So sine of A plus B equals sine A cos B plus sine B cos A. Now, if we replace b by minus b, I'm having to ask you here to accept that this is what is called an identity, so we can replace a and b by anything you like. So, replacing b with its negative, what we would get is sine of a minus b equals sine of a cosine minus b plus sine of minus b cosine of a. And here, that's sine of a, cosine of b and cosine of plus b are exactly the same. So I'll just write that now as cos of b. However, the sine of b is equal to the negative of sine plus b. So I can change that to a plus b if I change this sign to a negative. So that's sine a, sorry, beg your pardon, that is sine of b cos of a. And that is the compound angle formula for the difference of the angles. To subscribe to this sideshow and append any comments and questions, which I shall endeavour to deal with to the best of my theatrical propensities.